Low Polchuk, and now there is dark. I don't know paljonko, how much is clock. Clock is, it doesn't show in. It is 0000 40 is clock in Finchuk now. But I meant, and also taking this, and you see maybe nothing. No more Mercedes, now is again Rover. I have not tried if I can drive with this shoulder yet. I'm not sure. I test it tomorrow probably. But yeah, yes, then idea of the video. I got idea about training because I like it training, but now I almost can't do nothing because of that shoulder. There is no bone broken, so they said it is alright in week or two, and in a month I can start training again. So it is about 1 month, and then again training videos. But I found one old thing, very old, with what I can do with only left hand, and it is this. You know, gripper. This I can do with left hand only. And now I'm trying how much I can do now. I used to do 100 when I trained a lot about 5 years ago, but now I haven't done anything about like this in last 5 years, so this is brand new system to me. Not brand new, but this is new start. New start. I don't know, have any idea about. Maybe I can do just 10. This is not. I don't know how many kilo this is. It's not so tight. It is. I don't know. Probably something like 40 or maybe. I really don't know. I have no clue. But then let's go. Ten. 20. 30. 40. 50. Now I lost count. Maybe 60 now. Perkeleen bonus. And then we keep going. 70. 80, maybe. I don't know, I'm not so good counting. 80. 90. Yes, I do 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there was 100. It was, and I used some second breaks because of bonus, but anyway 100 is done. It was tight. 50 was easy. 70 was after 70 I think I can't do 100 anymore, but it looks like I can. Anyway, I was showing. I need stronger piece than machine, but all tighter systems are expensive. This was Seab, just €1. €1 one from Seab market. So I bought it like 10 years ago, but it's not used in last 5 years about at all. But anyway, it is Cessna Uno and game over.